Hello lovely people, and welcome back to this channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to use Chatgpt for copywriting, so make sure to watch to the very end. So firstly, who's a copywriter? A copywriter is someone who's responsible for writing text, basically for promoting a certain product or service, majorly for marketing. So basically what we're going to do in Chatgpt is to simply ask Chatgpt to write me a copyright script based on the service, or to recommend the service, or to promote the service. So all you want to do is to ask ChatGPT, write me a copyright script to promote my clothing business. And that's basically it. So as you can see, ChatGPT is already giving us the organization, how we should insert the script in scene 1. As you can see, this is what's going to happen in scene 1, and then scene 2, design studio, scene 3, customer interaction. So it's organizing every single step for us. This is just so awesome, guys. So as you can see, the first stage is the beat or the music we're going to use. So let's say the business already have their own music, so it's going to be playing. Okay, so the narrator is going to say, step into a world of style, creativity, and expression. Welcome to, let's say, KitKat's clothing brand, where fashion meets individuality. So guys, as you can see, ChatGPT organized every single thing for us to do. End of the script, guys. This is so powerful, guys. So yeah, guys, it's so simple. All you want to do is just go to chat.openai.com, as you can see at the top over here, and then you just want to ask ChatGPT, provide me a copyright script on this. And if you're not satisfied with this, you can even ask for more. Give me another. It's that simple. You want to see ChatGPT like a person, you just want to keep asking it till you're satisfied. So guys, as you can see, it's giving us another better way to actually do this. So yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned something new and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as I am sure you don't want to miss out on my upcoming videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.